The Nike First Sight Noir is a masterpiece built around Nike's philosophy of using pure black to highlight structure over color. This sneaker turns black into a storytelling material, showcasing layered textures, sharp contours, and a sculpted silhouette that instantly stands out. Its upper blends deep blacks with metallic gray transitions, creating a 3D effect that shifts with every angle. The finely woven laces, shadowed stitching, and material-based swoosh outline add depth without needing contrast. From the side, the model's dramatic heel design steals attention, a thick, sculptural extension with subtle irregular textures and a bold air-through opening that makes the heavy rear feel weightless. Beneath it, tiny outsole protrusions emphasize firm traction and durability. Despite its monochrome palette, the sneaker delivers motion, precision, and speed through its streamlined shape. Perfect for viewers who appreciate minimalist engineering, futuristic aesthetics, and the quiet power of all-black design.